Ebube Ogbunike is all about cultural rediscovery. We are rediscovering our culture. We are rediscovering our identity. We are rediscovering who we are. It is actually a concept tied around projecting our identity in the most positive way. It is a concept tied around exposing to the rest of the world who we are, what we stand for, and what we are known for. It is also going to be, in the near future, a tourism experience because you cannot talk about Ogbunike without the tourism potential of Ogbunike, the ancient cave, the Ogbunike cave. So Ebube Ogbunike, that cave you are looking at is the Ebube Ogbunike. So the tourism potential of Ogbunike is also what this Ebube Ogbunike is all about. The tourism potential of our people, of Ogbunike. We have cave, a world-class cave, a heritage site, endorsed by UNESCO. So this concept is going to outlive us. It's not about who we are. It's not about our culture. It's not about our tourism potential. It is all about our people. It is all about our identity. That is what it is.